Welcome back to Channel Run. If you remember in my last video, I showed you how to change the cartridge on your Intex pool pump. And one of the comments I got was, what if you don't have the valves? Okay, I bought those valves separately in the last video so I could actually turn it off. Well, when you purchased your pool and your pump, it probably came with something like this. We've got a little cap and we have a plug. The cap is for the intake on this side, and then a plug is for the outtake over there. So basically all we have to do is we got to turn the pump off, and then we're going to go ahead and put this plug on the outtake and put the cap on the intake. So let's go ahead and do that. So go ahead and just take your cap, and you're going to just take that and you're going to put that down there, and you're going to screw that on just like that. So the plug will just slip in like that. Now that we have the plug in and the cap on, all we need to do is remove this top. And just like the last video, you might want to take the plug and loosen it up just a little bit to take some of this, because the suction may keep you from getting the top off. Go ahead and loosen that ring. Try to pop that off, just like that. Remember, we talked about that rubber gasket. You don't want to lose that. Pull the filter out. Okay, got a little allergy going on in this one right here. Wash it off. Once you get it cleaned up, go ahead and pop it back in there. Put the top back on. Gonna push it down a little bit. The ring. I'm gonna put that back on just for a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the plug and the cap. All right, we've already bled the water out, bled the air out, so we're pretty much all set there. Tighten that down. Go ahead and turn it back on. Okay, not a whole lot to this. So all you're going to need is to make sure that you have the cap and the plug that should come with the Intex pool pump along with the pool. If you don't have that, I'm not sure if you can order that separately or not. But the whole idea is just to keep the water from rushing out. I purchased the valve so I wouldn't have to even worry about that, and I'll put a link down below. I hope this helps you on your Intex pool pump, and stay tuned for the next one.